Alright, I think that, you know what, that's enough studying. I think I deserve a nice cubing break. Just take a nice quick break, just 5 minutes. Pretty good. Alright. Let's get a good solve here. Let's start off with a nice, perhaps sub 10. That'd be pretty good. First solve scramble seems pretty good. First pair I can find. Yep, F12 is going pretty straightforward. Not my favorite OLL. What? Already a corner twist? Are you kidding me? Dude, we just started. Why am I already getting a corner twist? Okay, whatever. It's okay. The next solve is obviously gonna be a lot better. It's okay. This is just a rocky start. It's all good. It's all good. Let's just get into it. Alright. Just nice, clean, fresh start. We'll get our sub 10s easily. Don't worry. Alright, see this seems like a decent scramble. Nothing too bad. Find my first pair. I think this is gonna go pretty well. Yep. Going pretty good. Easy OLL. J-perm. Let's go. What? How did I not execute that out properly? What the heck? Dude, that would have been a good solve too. Would have been basically sub 9. Oh. Okay, let's just try again. It was just a rocky start, like I'm saying. It's just a rocky start. We got this. And dude, these scrambles seem not too bad. Like, I'll be able to get where I want to get in this session. Alright. Alright, F12. See, F12's not bad. I got a beautiful OL and an A per. Why is it locking up? Why does it lock up? That could have easily been sub 9 again. Dude, I could literally be en route to a sub 9 average if it wasn't for this stupid stuff happening. Okay, let's just get a good solve. Why is this so hard? Okay. I honestly don't really know what to do with this scramble as much. Oh, jeez, I messed up. Let's try to salvage something quickly. Come on. Oh, PLL skip. Oh yeah, so now I get a PLL skip. Now that's what I have to do to get a sub 9, a PLL skip. Come on. Alright. Yep, the scramble seems decent. Find my first pair. Let's just get a good solve. Yes. Nice. Let's go. Nice OLL. And a J-perm. Yes. Yes. This is what I need. Perfect. Good. See, I just need a little bit of momentum going. Got a great solve. And I'm calling it, from here on out, nothing but sub 10s now. Now we're on a roll. We're going to get it done. Beautiful. This is beautiful.
A few moments later.
J-perm. No! Oh, this was supposed to be sub 10. Dang it. Alright, whatever. This is just an accident. The next solve is just gonna be so much better. Don't worry. That was just an accident. This is gonna be sub 10. That was a weird kind of scramble. Oh shoot, I messed. Dang it! How did I mess up? Oh, I have to fix the cross piece now. Block ops. Oh shoot, F-perm. Oh, dang it. Why? This is not a good start. What does it have to take for me to just get a normal solve, please? Alright, looks like another straightforward solve. Nice OLL, F-perm, easy work. Just stop the timer! Why couldn't I click the button to stop the timer? Could have easily been low 9, but no, I have to waste more seconds. This is so dumb. Well, this solve is going terribly. Can't really see how it can get any worse. Oh, an end perm. Oh, with the lockup. Great, just what I needed. This is kind of a weird scramble, not gonna lie. Let's see how it goes. Oh, free pair. Easy. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. E-perm. Easy. Why are you locking up? Why are you locking up? Why? It could have easily been sub 8. Are you kidding me? That was such a good scramble. Oh. Okay, we just need a good scramble here to redeem ourselves. Nice F12. Beautiful. Nice OLL. G-perm. No, I'm counting it. I don't care. I don't care what the WCA says. I'm not doing a +2. I need a good streak going. We're We're counting it as an 8.37. Okay, we finally have a good sub 10 streak going. Can we please just maintain it? Alright, we got this. Going pretty well. Easy OLL. Why permanent? Ah, stupid lockup and. Are you kidding? 10.01? It has to happen. It just has to happen. 0.01. Really? Are you kidding? Well, streak's over now. Way to go. Okay, we've finally reached the point where we're starting to get a lot more better solves. Getting a lot more sub 9s, which is where I want to be. Solves going pretty well too. I think I'll get a sub 9. Beautiful. 812 easy money with an 8.95 average and wait, what? It's already 12 o'clock? Dude, this is supposed to be a 5-minute break. It's been 3 hours. Jeez, well, might as well just keep going. Already invested so much time into this.